In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Todoist, one of the simplest, powerful task management and productivity app that helps you stay organized, track your to-dos, and manage projects across all your devices. Whether you're organizing school, work, or your daily life, this video will help you get started fast. If you haven't signed up for Todoist yet, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. There aren't any discounts, but using the link helps support our channel. Now, creating an account here in Todoist is super simple and super fast. All I have to do is sign up using any of the following accounts. You can use your Google, Facebook, or Apple. But if you want to use your personal or business email, you can do that and click the sign up with email. If you do, you will be forwarded to this page wherein you can create your new profile by providing your name. And at this point, you can also provide your profile photo, especially if you have like a brand, identity, or logo that you wanted to reflect your voice. Now, you can be honest and answer any of the following questions. If you wanted to get started for yourself or with your team, which is kind of advisable if you are working in a collaborative environment, because the dashboard will send you a customized preferences depending on what you answered. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. And then, of course, if you wanted to connect your Google Calendar or your Outlook, you can do so. But if you don't want that, you can simply click the skip button. And what will happen is you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Todoist. The welcome page gives you a quick overview. If you want to watch the video, you can do so. Click the continue button. As you can see, that the interface is very clean. It's straightforward, yet it's functional. Now, let me tell you, I have a lengthy experience using Todoist because number one, we have been using this in our productive team that creates the video in this channel. So one is handling the creative graphics for the thumbnail. The one is handling the research. And of course, one is handling the voiceover. Now, in the left side area are the tools and features that we are going to explore one by one. Now, the add to task is where you can create a new task in Todoist. For example, if you can type the name of the task, you can simply set a due date right here. For example, that's going to be like December 30th. And then you can assign it to a specific project and add the priority. Is it going to be like priority 1, which is kind of urgent, like a red flag? And you can also set a specific reminders for your team. This is really helpful in our channel because we are a handful of creative individuals working in a collaborative team. Todoist is a handy tool. Okay, you can quickly add tasks using natural language like submit report tomorrow at 5 p.m. It's up to you. Now you see that there is like a select a project option here. We're going to deal with that in a few seconds. But for now, we're going to click the add task. What will happen is we have successfully created our first task here. Now, if you happen to wanted to edit that, you can simply click the pencil icon. And then the 3 dots here gives you the ability to add a task above, add task below, and again, you can customize it the way you want it. But if you created the task by accident, simply click the delete button. Now, you have more controls here. You can add an extension if you wanted, and this forwards you to the integration process of Todoist. The integration is a handy feature that extends the Todoist functionality. Now you can connect your Google Calendar if you wanted, your Outlook calendar, habit tracker, task assist, which is going to be a new feature. It's in beta mode for now, and you can also have the option not only to export to Google Sheets, but also you can have a conversation starters and a task helper. I'm not going to do that for now. Instead, I'm going to go to the next feature, which is going to be the search. Now, the search button here allows you to find tasks anywhere in your account. For example, this one. You can search by keywords, projects, labels, or dates. It's handy when you have many tasks need something fast, like in our channel. For example, we are looking for a specific tutorial that one of our team members is working on. The search button is a handy tool for that. Okay? And then obviously the inbox, we have shown that earlier, is going to be your default task holder. Any task goes here. For example, you have created a task earlier. If you don't assign it to a specific project immediately, it goes here. And of course, later on, you have the ability to move it. Or maybe you can duplicate or delete. All right. And then the today, it's not really important, but it shows tasks that are due date. Again, in our channel, this is kind of crucial because we can track the progress, what's due, what sets the importance for the task to be completed, and the most pressing matter that we need to focus on. It automatically updates daily based on task due dates. And then the upcoming is obviously show tasks that are due today. If you are in a working environment, this is great for focusing on what needs to get done right now. And of course, you can scroll by week or month to plan ahead. It's ideal really for long-term planning or avoiding last-minute rushes. Now, the filters and labels lets you see tasks based on specific criteria. Now, you can check the projects or tasks that are assigned to you or to any of your team member. You can set their priority if you wanted. And then the labels here are tags you can assign to. Like maybe, for example, this is a tutorial. You can add a specific color. For now, we're going to choose purple and add to favorites if you want. Using both together, the filters and labels makes it easy to organize and customize your task view. Now, the completed section shows all the tasks you have marked as done. Okay, so basically you can use this to review your progress and maybe find old completed tasks. You can also restore tasks if you mark something completely by mistake. But for now, we don't have anything yet because obviously this is a newly created account. Now, here, the My Projects is where all your projects live. Okay, so for example, if a project is a collection of tasks from a goal or area of work like marketing campaign or home renovation, for example, in our case, this is a YouTube channel, so we have delegations. You can add, organize, and color code projects for better clarity. So nothing is confused and no one's guessing game here. Okay, on the top right corner, you have the ability to share projects. For example, if you want to add a team to do it instead, you can do so. You can collaborate with friends and family. And of course, if you're working with a client, this is an opportunity to add people by name or email. Okay, and click the copy link. You can send it to your email address, maybe to social media platforms by chat. Now, the display button here is something that you might want to customize. For example, the layout, if you want to have a list view, a board view, a calendar view. Basically, this is like a preference. But the thing is, the calendar layout requires you to upgrade to a new plan. Later on, we're going to discuss that. But for now, I'm showing you some options here. The chat button is kind of like a comment if you wanted. All right. Now, for example, some of your coworker or maybe a team member needs to get your attention. You can simply create a comment here, press that so everyone would know your feedback or comment. And it goes the activity as well. Now, we're going to go to the top left corner where we have the drop-down menu. You see that you can add a team earlier, right? So if you wanted to add a team, remember you have the ability to create an existing team if you wanted. But if you want a fresh new team, you can do so. So you can check how big is your organization. For example, it's going to be me for now, and click the create your team. All right. Now, as you can see, this is going to be like 14 days free, then $8 per member per month. If you want to start your free trial, okay, make sure to use our affiliate link in the video description. There aren't any discounts, but remember, using the link helps support our channel. All right? You just have to provide all the information needed and you can cancel anytime if you want it. Now, having said all of that, as you can see that Todoist is essentially a powerful, user-friendly tool that helps you focus on what matters most. Whether you're managing personal tasks, work projects, or trying to get your day organized, Todoist makes it super simple to stay on top of everything. If you haven't tried Todoist yet, I highly recommend giving it a shot. And remember, do not forget you can sign up using the link in the video description to get started right away. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or suggestions, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.